Make a great choice today with the 2016 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, airbags, front passenger seat cushion, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.